At Costco they have a separate department where you can get your tyres replaced. Now these two front tyres need replacing. From wear and tear it will start losing its tread. These are wear indicator bars. If the bars are flush to the top, it's best to replace the tyre. You can go in store or check on their website if they have a tyre that is suitable for your vehicle. Some of the tyres have a minimum purchase of 2 or 4, and sometimes they may sell 1 tyre each. Now if they have the tyres you're looking for in stock, then you can place the order, make the payment and the appointment. If they don't have the tyres in stock, you can still purchase the tyres and then you can arrange the appointment for the tyres to be fitted. We got the tyres fitted on the same day on delivery. We bought 2 Bridgestone 18-inch tyres costing us £250 including the VAT. The 2 valves were separate, only a few pounds each. And within the price it includes balancing and nitrogen tyre inflation. All fitted and ready to go. But these 2 front tyres are not the new ones. What they normally do is that they take off your back 2 tyres and install them at the front. Then install the new tyres at the back. I asked why and they said this approach is intended to prevent instability and oversteer. Oversteer means when you sharply turn in front wheel drive vehicles, which can occur if your new tyres with more grip are placed on the front axle. So that's why they replace them with older tyres on the front and the new ones on the back. These are self-adhesive wheel balancing weight strips. New valves were installed as the old one had some corrosion inside during the inspection. The 2 letters MO stands for Mercedes Original, so these tyres indicate that the tyre is specifically designed and approved by Mercedes-Benz. Overall a good set of tyres. Time to hit the road again. Drive safe. Peace.
You under the meter, come in.